Hi there. In this video, we're going to discuss using Popdock as a source for Power Query. This will allow your data to be displayed in either Excel or Power BI. One of the most common use cases for using Popdock as a source for Power Query is when you need the data from multiple systems. In my example here, I have a sales report that is combining my sales history from my old ERP, in this case Dynamics GP, with ongoing sales from my new ERP, in this case Business Central. Pulling data from multiple systems isn't only related to ERP or CRM conversions though. Maybe you're a Shopify user with multiple online stores and you'd like to have an online sales or online cash receipts report. Maybe you want to blend data from your ERP with fields from your CRM or employee data from your online HR solution with your payroll solution. Whatever your need, Popdock is designed to more easily and efficiently pull and combine the data than Power Query does. To expose the list to Power Query, we're using the API Endpoints feature in Popdock. This basically allows you to expose any Popdock list through a REST API. For those of you paying attention, this means that not only are we exposing the list to Power Query, but we are exposing it to any application that can consume OData or REST. As you can see, we are creating this API endpoint without any code. We're simply choosing which connector, which group, which list, and which favorite we would like to expose through the endpoint, and we're giving the endpoint a name. Should we choose to, we do have the ability to add parameters here as well. This would allow whatever solution is consuming that API endpoint to pass in parameters and pre-filter the data. The most important part of this for us today, though, is the API Endpoints tab. From here, I can copy whichever link is most appropriate for the solution I'm using. In my case for Power Query, I'm going to copy the OData link. I'm going to be using Power BI for my example here, mostly because the end results look a little bit more dramatic. However, the Power Query process is exactly the same in Excel. I want to start by clicking Get Data from the Web. Next, I'm going to click on Advanced, because I do need some of the fields down here as part of the process. The first thing I want to do is paste in that OData path that I copied from earlier. Next, we need to look at security. So I'm going to type in the word authorization. We use a bearer token to assign security to the endpoint. Each bearer token is associated with a specific user, ensuring the Popdock security is being applied. In this case, I'll simply click on Add Token to create a new token for my example. Once I click on Add Token, I simply copy it and return to Power BI. Back here in Power BI, I'm simply going to paste it next to the word bearer. And that's it. Once I click on OK, it will go through the process of connecting to our API endpoint and allow us to access the data. And this gets you to a point where the data is available to be used in a Power BI report like this one. You can see here that we have combined historical sales and ongoing sales from two different systems into a single life-to-date sales dashboard. The underlying query is quick, and if I need to, I could pre-filter the data so the Power BI is even faster. Thank you for watching this overview of using Popdock API endpoints in Power Query. If you'd like to learn more about Popdock, please check out some of the other videos on the E1 Solutions YouTube channel. To start a free trial, please stop by popdock.com.